two spiritual forces that you're not supposed to play with, to toy with, or let's say three spiritual forces. The last one is when these three are not being handled, then the last one will start having effect on you. Number one is knowing your spiritual guide. Aligning yourself with your spiritual guide is very, very important for any person that wants spiritual things to work for him or her. Knowing your and aligning yourself with your spiritual guide. The second thing is your ancestral forces. They will back you up, especially in time of trouble. Some of you don't actually know what trouble is until you enter trouble. Trouble is when someone indicts you in something that you're not aware of. When somebody wants to implicate you, somebody wants to get into trouble, but he needs someone to be part of that trouble and he wants to implicate you, or somebody wants to accuse you of something that you don't know anything about. Maybe you're working in an office and somebody doesn't like you, or your boss doesn't like you, or someone, a colleague or a co-worker wants to, get involved to exterminate you. They may label an accusation upon you. That is when your spiritual forces will come to your backup. Or, it could be an accident. Maybe you're traveling and maybe it's an ill-fated car or bus that has been targeted to be for demolition spiritually, and your ancestral forces will come to your rescue. And another force that you are supposed to reckon with is your water element. Your water forces are very strong and powerful. They cannot be toyed with. Paying reference to them, giving them what is agreeable to them, it helps to set paths. It helps to clear your paths. It helps to put you on the right pedestal of progress, of success. It helps to connect you to people of high place. It helps to bring food to your table. It might not come directly, but these are all wave pavers. Way pavers. So the last one is your spiritual mates. Those ones are actually misfits or miscreants in the spiritual realm, that they can come and cause problem for you when these three are not working. If these three are not working, then the last one will come into play. And those ones are actually waiting for something negative to happen. Then they will now take the center stage. So it's advisable, if you're watching this video, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you're watching me for the first time, subscribe to my channel and use the share button for others that want to watch this video and maybe benefit a thing or two.